it's Katja and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back at it again with another skincare routine, but today I'll be doing something slightly different. Before we get into the video, I would like you to like, subscribe and comment down below. Tell me anything you would like to see throughout the rest of my videos, any video requests you'd like me to incorporate into my channel, and just feedback on this video. So because we're at home and we need that extra, TLC for ourselves, I've decided to make a full stay at home spa kind of routine. I'll be basically doing the usuals I do on my face, getting that glow on, but at the same time doing the same for my body. So I know it's also quite hard to find bath scrubs out there that are perfect for your skin, things that can remove body acne, because there's actually quite a lot of people that suffer from that. The specific routine I'm going to be doing today is not going to only give you that glow and that relaxing feeling, but in the long run keep your body radiant, smooth and stress-free. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Is all for the skincare routine. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Making that mixture was quite a lot. It does need a lot of things, but trust me, all those little ingredients I put in there are really beneficial for your body and for your health. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on your thoughts. Comment on the video on its own. I would really love to hear your feedback, any requests and suggestions. Conversate with me on how to grow this channel in order to not only keep you busy on YouTube, but at the same time gain any benefits from what I have to give out. Thanks for tuning into my channel. There are more videos in the description box below. Be free to explore all the other routines I've done in my previous videos. I hope you have a lovely day.